have to worry about these scenarios, but... What are these... I'm gonna have to deal with that. I would love to kind of show her what she...
Oh! Yeah, I don't think you break her sister free. Nikki with the Divas champion and Paige trying to break free and helping Stephanie win at SummerSlam. That makes you Paige, I mean, but you don't, right?
Natural.
Nikki Bella taking the Divas champion back in the ring. Nikki staring it out. Now Paige reassuming control here. Is there somebody you would prefer to pin, AJ? This match on Sunday?
Whatever I can do to get my hands all over Paige, I will do.
So you'd prefer to pin Paige for the time?
I would prefer to get Paige on her back.
Last week, Nikki said, "Well, I think this is going to be easier than I thought, facing you and Paige and I've changed." What do you think?
I understand there's a lot of animosity between Paige and myself, and that we're kind of at each other's throats, and then we're, you know, kissing the same time and skipping together, you know, like friends do.
It seemed a bit strange. They kissed at the same time.
You know, just share things with your friends.
No,
We're the weird ones, okay.
Paige is extremely aggressive, no doubt. She's been a very competent Divas champion.
I mean, she is. She deserves the championship. That's how many times I need to. I mean, the tides seem to be indicating.
Nikki hit the cover on the Divas champion.
Oh! And selling yourself also will do that, so you never know.
Yeah, this physical between Nikki and Paige. Oh, look at this. This is going to be interesting. She's strange. AJ does call the title her baby. His whole Divas Championship equation. She certainly, Nikki Bella would certainly walk out another champion, the Divas champion. Yeah, let's not forget there are 3